potatoes, you guys. Amazing right here. Those are gonna be amazing. These are super good, super crispy. I'm gonna do potatoes, slice them in half. Touch of oil because I want some seasonings to stick to it. I said black pepper, so what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of salt. A fair amount of salt, you guys, so it's a good half teaspoon in there. I'm gonna use a pinch of the garlic, the granulated garlic. All right, maybe 2 pinches. Just get right in there with that. So I'm gonna do cracked black pepper for this fresh ground. And because I'm calling it out as black pepper potatoes, I'm gonna use a good amount of it. You can use as little or as much as you like. I like a lot. If I'm gonna call something black pepper, it's gonna have black pepper on it, to the point where it's probably gonna be a little bit spicy. All right, so that's a good, I would say it's a good teaspoonful. So I wanna make sure these potatoes are cooked right. I'm not gonna clean out the pan too much, just a little bit of oil, 2 tablespoons. Maybe I'm talking too fast because I'm trying to cook fast here. But I'm gonna add those potatoes right to it. And I'm gonna try to do them all face down, get the oil around. All right, I don't mind that the mushroom bits are in there. The pan it's just already seasoned with what was on the mushrooms. And I like that seasoning. This is all going in one plate, so let's cook this for a minute. Potatoes have been cooking very nicely here, sizzling away. Gorgeous. Nice, crispy on one side there, a little crisp on the other side. Just making sure they're not stuck to the bottom. Those are gonna be amazing. And it smells so good. I'm putting this right in the oven. Pulling out the potatoes. Gorgeous, hot AF potatoes, you guys. Amazing right here. These are super good, super crispy. Just gonna put that here. So you guys, until next time, subscribe, check out all our other episodes, join all the channels, follow us everywhere you can, leave a comment, press the like button, do all those cool things, and we will see you next time on The Wicked Kitchen, okay?